friends, I'm Jay Sennett. Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Jay. Hope you all are doing well, and as always, thank you for watching. Greatly appreciate it, and I hope you've been enjoying the recipes. I would also like to thank my sponsor, Feast Virginia, and your sponsorship is greatly appreciated. And you do some wonderful things with food, definitely. Tonight, I'm going to make a nice dinner for you. Nice, tasty, fairly simple dish to make, and there are a lot of interesting flavor profiles in this dish. I'm going to make you a chili lime chicken pita with my version of Spanish rice. I love Spanish rice. Love it, love it. So, if you're ready to see how I make this dish, let's get cooking. Okay, first thing I'm going to make this yogurt sauce that's I'm going to spread over the pita bread. I'll use about, let's see, maybe 3 tablespoons of yogurt. I'm just cooking for myself tonight. All right, about 3 tablespoons of mayo. Okay, and let's put about a teaspoon of garlic in there, a small teaspoon, some garlic in there, and the juice of a lemon. Yeah, just a little bit, half a lemon, juice of half a lemon in here. And I want to add some of this Spanish paprika, the smoked paprika, okay? In there, and just a tad of salt. All right, whisk. Briskly. Now I'm going to taste it. Oh yeah, that's right. All right, you can adjust those seasonings if you like. Now I'm going to set this aside. Now here I have my chicken breast. These are thinly sliced chicken breasts, or you can get regular chicken breasts and then bang, 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 you know, hammer them down a bit. Season, we'll rinse and pat dry, salt and pepper, okay? And I add some of this Spanish smoked paprika and some of this delicious chili lime rub. You can use it for fish or chicken. I get this from a place where I order my fish from, Wolf's, W-U-L-F. They make some really interesting rubs. So have this chicken here, and now I want to go over to the stove and put the rest of the dish together. So this is my yogurt lemon sauce right here. We're going to go over to the stove now. All right. Okay, I'm going to set that down there, and we have some green pepper and onions diced up right here. Okay, some green pepper and some onions. And in just a moment, I'm going to add some of this garlic. For right now, the green pepper and onions. My rice is just about done. And then this saucepan over here is for the chicken. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Now, since these are thin chicken breasts, they won't have to cook that long. Okay. All right. And my onions and green pepper are cooking here. You cook these until they get translucent a bit. My rice is done, pretty much. You don't want to cook this rice all the way done. Just get it to where there's just a little bit of liquid left in there, okay? Just a little bit of liquid left in this pot. Teeny bit. All right. Rinse off the plate. Okay. Da-da-da-da. Yeah, I've been talking with some people over at Old Dominion University, and the chef over there, and probably going to try to do a couple of these episodes from the HRO kitchen, have WHO videotape it. It's going to be a nice setting. Get away from my small little kitchen. Just mix it up a little bit. I could do some different things with the program. I have some thoughts and ideas about it. Location, I want to get some special guests. When I get in an environment like that, that's big enough, then I can bring in a special guest. Okay, I want to add some garlic to this. A couple of cloves of garlic. All right. Mix well. Cook that garlic for just about another minute or two longer. And I will tell you right now, it smells amazing in this kitchen. Woo! All these spices on that chicken and these onions and green pepper and this garlic now. All right, flip these over. Woo! Look at that. Beautiful color on this breast, chicken breast. For my Spanish rice, okay, so that's done there. Now I want to add some diced San Marzano tomatoes. Oh yeah. I love San Marzano tomatoes. Just tomatoes, and the flavor is just incredible. My preference, of course. They don't put salt in there, no sugar. I don't like sugar in tomato sauce. Anyway, okay. But I know a lot of people put sugar in their tomato sauce. I'm not one of them. Yeah, yes, yes, yes. Right. Up. Ba-da-ba-da. Now, what I want to do is add some of my rice in here. I'm making Spanish rice. My version of Spanish rice. Chicken breasts are cooking nicely. Let's see if I have enough rice in here. I think I have plenty. Yeah. Ta-da! So onions, green pepper, garlic, and some diced tomatoes, about a 28-ounce can of some San Marzano diced tomatoes. Now I'm going to add some salt to this. Yes. Add some black pepper. A healthy dose of black pepper. Down a little bit. See, this is why you want to leave a little bit of that liquid in the rice, because it's still going to cook and absorb some of this tomato juice here. All right. Now, last thing I want to add here, and put some more of my Spanish paprika in this rice. This gives it a warm, rich flavor, smoky flavor profile. It's subtle, you know, it's not strong at all. And I order it from the Spice House. I love their selection of spices. Okay, I think my chicken is done too. So, check that out. Ooh, yeah. Just minute longer on this side. Just that. And got this happening over here. All right, now I'm going to cover this up. My chicken is done. And like I will tell you, it smells marvelous, Dominic. Marvelous. Okay, now we're going to move back over here. Okay, so with this knife, the fork, I'm gonna dice this chicken up here. All right. Into little pieces, bite-sized pieces. All right. Put this here. Okay, because what I'm going to do now, all right, here, switch places, get my spoon, all right, get some of my sauce, you remember the sauce there, the yogurt sauce, okay, spread that. I put some lemon juice, some mayo, plain yogurt, a little salt, garlic, and lemon juice. Okay. Now I want to add some of these chicken pieces. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And then right here we have some lettuce, tomato, and red onions. Oh man! Now, all right, set that up there. I'm gonna move this over a bit. I'm gonna take this bowl and my rice is done. Da, 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 da. Nice portion of my Spanish rice to set alongside. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that plate. And then how I will eat this, of course, I will do that. And then eat it like so. Right? Once you get that there, you can put that on a plate, smaller bowl, of course, if you like. And there you have it. That's my menu for tonight. Great menu. And you see how quickly I put that dish together. It's my Spanish rice and my chili lime chicken pita. And then the chicken, I season it with salt, pepper, a little bit of the Spanish smoked paprika, and this chili lime rub that I get from Wolf's Fish, and some tomato, lettuce, and red onions. And then I make my yogurt sauce with some plain yogurt, some mayonnaise, some mayo, some garlic, some lemon juice, a little bit of smoked paprika in there, Spanish paprika in there, salt in there, a little bit of salt, lemon juice, okay, and then the Spanish rice, green pepper, yellow onion, garlic, saute it a little bit in some olive oil, cook the rice, all right, and then you add the rice with, actually you add the 28-ounce can of some diced tomatoes with the juice, okay, leave the juice in there. And then you add the rice. I use a cup of rice. And then put a little salt and pepper in there and add a little bit more of that Spanish paprika in the rice. And cook it just for a few moments longer till it really gets hot because the rice is already cooked. And then you have yourself a delicious meal. So my chili lime pita with my Spanish rice. That's what's happening on this edition of Cooking with Jay. Again, thank you to my sponsor, Feast Virginia. If you have a business and you're involved in food in some capacity and you perhaps want to underwrite, become a sponsor on Cooking with Jay, drop me an email, let me know, and I'll turn you on to Diane Rojic with WHRO. Cooking with Jay airs Sunday evenings at 6 on the WHRO Public Media Facebook page. Okay? And we also are on YouTube, so just type in Cooking with Jay on YouTube and you can see archive editions of the program. And if you have any questions, just feel free to send me an email to j.sennett, jae.sinnett @whrv.org, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Or if you just want to comment to me, I'd love to hear your comments. And I appreciate you watching the program, and I really appreciate your comments and your responses to the show. And don't forget, send in session jazz. Monday through Thursday nights, 9 to 1, Saturday mornings, 1 until 5, Sunday afternoons from 1 until 5 on WHRV FM 89.5. And the R&B Chronicles, my other show. Friday nights, great soul music, Friday nights from 7 until 8. All right, until next Sunday, friends, I'm going to go eat my dinner. Be safe out there, and I'll be thinking about what I can put together for the next edition of Cooking with Jay. Peace.
Hi everyone, Jay Sennett here. Join me for Cooking with Jay Sunday evenings at 6 on Facebook at WHRO Public Media, with previous shows now available on YouTube at WHRO Public Media. So let's get cooking. Support for Cooking with Jay provided by Feast Virginia. Food is a human issue that needs everyone at the table. Visit feastva.org to learn more.